Hi Scorpio, welcome to my channel Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting 6th of June. Before I go ahead with the video, I would like to just call out and say that unfortunately in the month of May, I was not able to create videos because I had 3 deaths in my family, and because of this situation that we had in India, because of COVID, there was this personal emergency and I was not able to work on my YouTube channel, but thankfully things have improved and I'm trying to get back. So I really want to apologize because I received a lot of messages asking for what happened with the videos, and I was just not able to give time to the audience and reply to your messages. So I really hope you understand. I just wanted to call out and let you know that I am really sorry, and I'll try to make sure that going forward these videos come out on time. Now before I go ahead and say anything else regarding your reading, I just want to call this out also, that please go ahead and take tarot card reading as a generic reading, because I don't have your time and date of birth, and hence these readings are generic readings. Because I also received a couple of messages, and the one advice that I would like to go ahead and give is, please go ahead and take these as general. Not everything fits in for everybody. Okay, now let's go ahead and now jump and see what this particular week has in store for you. So the first card that I see for you here, Scorpio, is you have the 10 of Wands, the Page of Cups, and the 6 of Swords. Your person has the Hierophant card, the Temperance card, and the Hanged Man energy. Bottom of the deck, I have the 9 of Swords. So either you or your person is having sleepless nights because they're trying to think about something, and that's causing a lot of anxiety and a lot of sleepless nights to them. Now what I see for you here is you have the 10 of Wands. With that, you feel a lot of burden, you feel exhausted, you feel that you are the only one who's putting in a lot of effort towards this relationship, and somehow you want to just drop this baggage and move forward in a totally different direction, maybe to another person, okay, who may be offering you a new cup of love. Okay, with this Ace of Cups that I see here, you want to start fresh, or you can also go ahead and have a scenario where you want to start fresh with the same person, and if there was some argument or something that happened in the past, you want to just drop it and start fresh. Now while you want to go ahead and do this, thinking about it and how you want to go ahead and do it is what is causing a lot of stress to you with the 6 of Swords energy. Now the person that you are dealing with, I see they have the Hierophant card. With that, they are looking for something committed. That's the Taurus energy that I see here. So they want to have something which is very committed. They want to have stability in this relationship, because the next card also is Temperance, which means balance. They're looking for some kind of a balance in this particular relationship. Another thing that I see for this person is they have the Hanged Man energy. Okay, with the Hanged Man energy here, this person is currently stuck in a situation, or they're just standing and watching and observing you. Okay, and they're trying to understand, is this something which is right for me, or should I go ahead and explore the world? Okay, now let's see what is the intention of this person for you for this particular week. So the first card that I see here again is the Hanged Man. So you have 2 Hanged Man situations. This person is just stuck. Okay, the other one that I see is the 6 of Pentacles. With that, there could be some kind of a sharing, either from your end or from the other end. Now when I say sharing, it could be sharing of finances, sharing of your time, energy, love, affection, anything. Okay, and it means that you are sharing that with 2 people. Okay, now the other thing that I see here, the next card is again the 2 of Wands. With that, again, it means that there is an option B. And this option could be a person, this could be another job, this could be anything, anything. It could be something as simple as materialistic. You want to go and buy a car, and you have 2 cars, you love 2 models, and you have to just choose from one of those. So there are 2 options that you have, and you have to just decide on one, and you are just not able to decide which one to go ahead with. Now let's go ahead and see one card here, which is the message from Archangels and a crystal that can help you in this situation. So the crystal that I see here is Rutilated Quartz. The crystal messages, are you ready to move forward in your life? You have the courage within you to move ahead with your ideas by getting the wheels in motion to create your project or intention. Recognize the amazing, powerful person that you are and shine on. The message here from Archangel Uriel is something that I'll go ahead and put in the description box. You can read it out from there. Now that's all I have for you for this particular week. If you like the content of the video, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Until the next time, stay safe, love yourself first.